All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being, on prosperity alone, lies my happiness. Thank you, sir.